Clamping your nose and mouth shut when you need to sneeze is dangerous, doctors warn the public.